So we're going to break on the clutch cable. The stopper thing, it broke at the stopper thing. That piece there came off this one. So this is the original housing for the cable. I've taken another wire cable from another piece that I had, but it doesn't have the piece at the end. So what I'm going to do is this is the piece that connects to the clutch on the motorbike. I'm going to cut it off this piece. Don't have a soldering iron, so I come up with a little trick. These things here, you can find them on your pedal bikes. It's a little screw with a hole in it there. I've made the hole bigger with just a bigger drill bit. And you insert it like that. So I've got one end. There you go. I made some little grooves in the washer just so it doesn't cut it straight away. It sits in like that, and then you just tighten it, and then it will squeeze down, joining those two. So that's if you don't. And this is just a temporary fix. Because eventually it'll probably break until I can. I'll order the part, and then by the time it gets here, but I'm still rolling. Yeah. So that's cheap fix. If you don't have a soldering, plus this is a fixed piece that's fixed onto there, so there's no way to get that off anyway. So yeah, okay, chur. That's the piece there. Washer and the nut. You find them on pedal bikes for the gearing and stuff like that, so they're quite handy. I think you can actually buy packs for emergency repairs on the side of the road for motorbikes. But yeah, all I did with mine was I made that hole bigger to fit both wires in there. But yeah, she's all go. So she's got enough clutch, and it'll so this is my work bike. That'll keep me going till the part. I'll get a part for it. Yeah, so it was just a quick video just to give somebody an idea if you trying to figure out how you're going to join two cables together. But that worked fine. Just one of those or something like that. Anyway, you could come up with your own sort of design or whatever plan. But yeah, sweet as chur. And this is how I drilled the hole. So I had that smaller hole. Just like that. So that's the spare one I'm making. So I'll leave that on the bike in case something happens while I'm waiting for the new part to come. But yeah. So I just thought I'd put that out there so you might be able to come up with another idea or something. Yeah, so chur till the next one.